This video, I'll be going over the top 6 high-yield savings accounts that you can open right now with updated APY. I researched all the best high-yield savings accounts, so in this video, I'll be going over the best high-yield savings accounts you can open right now, the pros and cons of each, and go over step by step on where and how to open these accounts. Now, some of you may be asking, what is a high-yield savings account and why should you open one? Let me ask you this question. How much money do you have in your savings account right now? Now, how much interest do you earn on it? 0.1%? 0.01%? That is pretty much nothing. High-yield savings accounts are absolutely necessary simply because they pay you so much more than just a regular savings account just for keeping your money inside these accounts. This allows your money to grow faster as it just sits in your account. The higher your annual percentage yield or APY, the faster your money grows per year, which means you get a much better return on your money compared to just leaving your money in a traditional savings account. Before we get into the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe as that helps me out so much at no cost to you. Number 6 on this list is the American Express High Yield Savings Account. American Express is one of the most well-known financial institutions in our day and age. They have credit cards such as the Platinum and the Gold that offer great benefits as well. I personally love my American Express Gold card as it gives me 4 times points on all dining and groceries. You can see here that American Express currently offers a great APY of 4.3%, and some of the pros include that it's easy to use as you can have seamless integration within the app, no monthly fees, no minimum balance or deposit requirements, 24/7 customer support, and it's FDIC insured for up to $250,000. Some very small cons include the fact that it has no branch access, that it's an online-only bank, and that it has no ATM access as well. So who is this account best for? This account is best for anyone who already owns American Express products and anyone who wants to seamlessly integrate a high-yield savings account inside the Amex ecosystem. All you have to do to open an account is go to American Express's website right here and click open an account. Once the page loads, you're gonna choose your option here. So I'm gonna say, yes, I'm a current card member, and click begin, and just go through all the steps. The biggest question that you probably have right now is how much can you make with the American Express high yield savings account? So let's take a look at this simple savings calculator and let's see how much. So your initial deposit is gonna be, let's say $10,000 with a 0 monthly contribution over a period of just 1 year with the 4.3% APY. You can see that you would make $430 on your $10,000 just for keeping it inside the account. That's not bad at all. Next up, we have the Capital One High Yield Savings Account. Capital One is also one of the most reputable banks in the United States as they offer great products such as the Capital One Venture X credit card, and they also offer a great high yield savings account that many people use. The biggest pros of the Capital One 360 High Yield Savings Account include a solid APY of 4.35%, no monthly fees, no minimum deposits required, no maintenance fees, and the fact that it's FDIC insured for up to $250,000. Some small cons include that this high yield savings account doesn't have the highest APY out in the market right now, and it has limited branch access as full service Capital One branches are only available in around 8 states across the United States. Now, who is this account best for? This account is best for anyone who's already in the Capital One ecosystem or wants to join and wants to open up a great high yield savings account. All you have to do is head over to Capital One's website here and click on open an account, and then you're just gonna go through all the steps and just sign up. Now, how much can you make with a high yield savings account from Capital One? You can see here the initial deposit of $10,000 as an example with a $0 monthly contribution over a period of 1 year and with a 4.35% APY. You can expect to make around $435 on your money just for leaving it inside the account. Next up on this list, we have the Discover High Yield Savings Account. Discover is considered to be in the top 3 online financial institutions in the United States. They offer great products for every type of customer, including great starter credit cards. Some pros of the Discover High Yield Savings Account include a pretty great APY of 4.35%, no monthly fees, a great mobile app, and the fact that this is FDIC insured for up to $250,000. The only small con that I can think of is that Discover also does not have physical branch access. Now, who is this account best for? This account is best for anyone who's already inside the Discover ecosystem or wants to join or has any of their credit cards and is familiar with Discover. All you have to do to open an account is go to Discover's website right here, click on open an account. So once this page loads up, you're gonna choose if you're new to Discover or if you're not, and just go through all the steps. Now, how much can you make with a Discover High Yield Savings Account? This is similar to the previous one with an initial deposit of $10,000, a $0 monthly contribution over a period of 1 year, with a 4.35% APY. You can expect to make around $435 just for keeping your money inside the account. Next up on today's list, we have Marcus by Goldman Sachs. And I'm pretty sure you're all familiar with this account by now, as it's pretty much one of the most popular high-yield savings accounts on the market right now, simply due to their excellent product offering and the reputation in the finance space. The biggest pro of Marcus by Goldman Sachs is that it has a high APY of 4.4%, but what's even better is that if you're able to refer a friend, you can make up to 5.4% APY for the first 3 months after you sign up. Some other pros include that it has no monthly fees on its savings accounts, no minimum deposits on its savings, and it's FDIC insured for up to $250,000. Similar to some other high-yield savings accounts, the only small cons that I can think of include no checking account, no ATM network, and no physical branch access. Who's Marcus best for? It's good for anyone who wants a completely online banking experience with pretty much one of the most popular high-yield savings accounts out right now. All you have to do to open an account is go to the Marcus website, click on Explore Online Savings, and click on Open an Account on their online savings account. And once this page loads up, just go through all the steps and that's it. Now, how much can you make with Marcus? Let's say you put in $10,000 as your initial deposit with a $0 monthly contribution over a period of 1 year with a 4.4% APY. You can expect to make $440 just by keeping your money inside the account. Next up on today's list, we have the Betterment High Yield Cash Account. Betterment is a financial services company that offers services such as investing, retirement, and cash management. The biggest pro of Betterment is that they currently offer a 4.75% APY, which is really high. But what's even better is that with a qualifying deposit, you can expect to earn 5.5% APY for the first 3 months after you open the account. Some other pros include unlimited withdrawals, no minimum balance, no monthly fees, a great mobile app, and is FDIC insured by partner banks for up to $2 million. One small con includes no physical branch access. Now, who is Betterment's high yield cash account best for? It's good for anyone who wants a great high yield cash account with a solid financial services company and is okay with online banking only. All you have to do to open an account is go to Betterment's website here and click Get Started and save with a high yield cash account and just go through all the steps and sign up. Now, how much can you make with the Betterment High Yield Cash Account? Let's say you put in $10,000 with a $0 monthly contribution over a period of 1 year with a 4.75% APY. You can make $475 on your money just for keeping it inside the account. And last but not least, we have Wealthfront's Cash Management Account. You can see here that Wealthfront currently offers a 5% APY, which is the highest APY on today's list. Some other pros include no account fees, unlimited withdrawals and transfers, and it's FDIC insured for up to $8 million by partner banks. And there's no minimum or maximum balance to earn the 5% APY. The only small cons that I can think of include no physical branch access, and there's fees for cash deposits. Now, who is this account best for? This account is best for anyone who wants a high APY with a trusted financial services company, which is pretty popular these days in the finance industry. All you have to do to open an account is go to Wealthfront's website and click Start Saving with $1 and just go through all the steps and sign up. Now, how much can you make with Wealthfront's cash management account? Let's say you put in $10,000 initially with a $0 monthly contribution over a period of 1 year with a 5% APY. Yep, you would make $500 on your money just for keeping it inside the account. Not bad if you ask me. Let's be honest here. Instead of earning a 0.01% interest rate on your money, putting your money in a high yield savings account will allow you to earn a much higher interest rate on your hard-earned money. Don't forget that any interest that you earn will be taxed as ordinary income, so you will need to pay taxes on your earnings. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this type of content, please smash that like button and subscribe for more future videos just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.